Alright, well I haven't felt this excited in quite a while. It's pretty fun. We got some engines right here. I'm show you an unboxing of something new and hot that's fresh on the market. Unfortunately, Harbor Freight seems to consolidate the Hemi and the non-Hemi straight valve 212 Predators, so it's really hard to find an actual straight valve 212 Predator, which kind of sucks ass. So they're mainly Hemis. There's nothing wrong with a Hemi. I just want something I can get my grubby little fingers in and modify a little bit. So we went ahead and got a couple Predator 224 cc's, the new ones, and we're going to do an unboxing and a break-in period on this. So now we have a new person on the team. Johnny Boy, please arrive.
How's it going, guys?
So this is Johnny Boy here, and he is as enthusiastic about mini bikes as I am. So he went ahead and bought the same kit as I did. Mine's going to arrive here pretty soon. We'll do a video on putting it together and riding it with our new engines. It's the gopowersports Moto 212 kit. So that comes with a 30 series tab to torque converter, so that'll be quite exciting. I just figured out how to adjust those things, so I'll be showing another video on how to adjust your torque converter. Anyway, let's get down to it. I've been talking for too fucking long. Finally,
I'm not sure what to say.
Get this thing open.
Instructions. Looks like we got some gaskets.
Ooh, this is what I was talking about. This comes with jets. Different jet sizes here. I'm not really sure what they're for, nor what the sizes are, but that's really cool. I like how it comes with different jets, and looks like these are just gaskets for the carburetor bowl.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, let me see how to grab this one. Well, first of all, we got a funnel.
Oh, that's awesome! That's so cool.
It also,
oh, dude, that's so sick.
it pivots. It seems.
I bought a funnel just so we could put oil in it, but if they come with funnels, that's
heck yeah.
that is. So it comes with a funnel. So we got, looks like quick start guide.
Beautiful.
Crap. Then, all right, so this is the new 224, the stroked out version of the 212. This is a wow, that's stiff. This is a lot newer and different from the old 196 cc's that I've dealt with. Apparently this has an advanced intake system. Don't know how that works out when it looks like just your everyday average intake. Yeah. Just want to see how many bends there has to go through to finally get into the carb, because the face of the carb is right there. So a lot goes Jesus. Pretty much and then still all the way in there. So yeah, not very free flowing at all. I'm gonna have a video on how to build your own intake kit, your stage 1 intake kit. Yeah, looks pretty cool. This looks like some nice throttle linkage. We're gonna fix all this, get rid of all that. Does the cap come with a sweet, it does. A little chain, so I'm not gonna lose my cap this time. Unlike many last times where I've lost my cap. This is just an evap canister line. So you got your line that goes all the way under here to your evap canister. Of course, we're gonna get rid of that. This is just gonna be a breather. So this is the exhaust. I ordered 2 of these on accident last time I ordered them when I had my Coleman CT100U. So this is the exhaust piece that's going to go on there. It's going to fit really well with the Moto 212.
Where was it placed?
What?
Where was it placed? I didn't see.
Oh, right here.
That's beautiful.
So it goes right there. how it comes with a big ass, a big fat Woodruff key. That's pretty neat. Object.
Fucking preparing the shot while we're in the it's a good video.
Nice. Woodruff key just falls right in there. So yeah, they're shipping oil. So you can see there's a machined cam in these. These ones are really nice. They come with a nicer connecting rod. So everything's crank wise is really nice. We're gonna get rid of this low oil sensor too as well, since we're in here. And the only thing I really don't like about this engine is the plastic cam gear. So I'm still debating on whether removing the governor gear and having this cam gear still in here. So in the meantime, we're still going to buy new cams. You can swap these out with the Predator 212 cams or the just regular Honda Clone 196cc cams, and they'll fit just right, just fine. So oil that we're going to be using is 1030 full synthetic, high mileage stuff, just because it's got a bunch of good anti-wear packages in there. We're going to be using a little bit of Marvel Mystery oil as well, just for, yeah. Oh no, I'm putting it in this one. I'm just using that one as a breather. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It's made for it. Oh my goodness. First thing first, we're going to put in a little bit of Marvel Mystery oil. That should be good. Yeah, this is just a break-in oil change. We're not looking to run anything or...
You said this engine takes 16 ounces?
Yes. So that's just a little bit over half quart. Goes the high mileage 1030 full synthetic. Yeah, I'm gonna measure it. That's perfect. Important. Breaking in the engine oil will help to ensure proper equipment and engine performance. The optimal break-in period will last about 3 hours of use. During this period, do not apply heavy load. Do not operate engine at its maximum speed. Is that maximum speed without the governor, or is that just maximum speed with the governor? I assume with the governor.
I'm assuming with.
So we're going to do an idle break-in with these, and then do an oil change and get rid of the low oil pressure sensor, or low oil sensor. We're going to get rid of the oil, do an idle break-in, and then as soon as we get them on our bikes, we're just going to take it easy for a couple hours and just go on a nice smooth long ride. And then after that, we'll do an oil change and then start ripping the hell out. Oh, we got a good test run on this one. We had to disconnect a few things in the front. That's hot. So first thing you're going to disconnect is these guys come in right here. So you disconnect that. You want to isolate this box. This is a low oil shutoff switch wire, and this is the box that tells the engine to shut off. So you pretty much just want to disconnect those and have this on-off switch plugged in. So this is grounded to the engine over there, and then just, you know, your switch. So go ahead and run it. Choke is on. Step on your wires. Oh, been pulling this thing all day.
Beautiful.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully I come up with some more dumb shit to make videos about. Hopefully it's not more Crown Vic shit.